Good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We're on August 17th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Prayers and thoughts are going out to parts of Costa Rica today. We had a 6.0 earthquake southeast of Costa Rica, in Golfito, Costa Rica, close here to Gamba. Heavy populated area. Now this earthquake was at a 19-kilometer depth, happened just over a half an hour ago. So stay aware and prepared, folks. These earthquakes are happening big time. Golfito, Costa Rica. I'm just going to show you here. Last year at this time we had the 8.1 and the 6.1, it's 7.1 in this area this time last year. Very busy today. 4.9 following the 6.0. "15 kilometers north of Golfito, Costa Rica." Have a plan, people. Couple weeks worth of food. Look at all these earthquakes along the west coast. 3.6 in Ferndale, 3.2 in Moonstone. This is all today, guys. Another 5.2 in Alaska. And Japan, Iwo is still going off. 4.8, 4.7, and a 5.0 today. 5.6, sorry. We also had that large 6.5 in Kampong Bajo, Indonesia. A very deep earthquake at that. So stay aware and prepared, folks. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.